street because she has heard something. not flying.
Max, don't touch.
Renu.
I saw only Max. Max always said bird, bird, bird.
Renu. Renu. I don't know if we're supposed to bring a bird inside the house.
Yeah, look at Max.
It's a pretty bird.
Yeah, so then I told the doorman that he said one lady here, she take care then.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
I
Don't
know.
touch it,
Don't
Max.
touch. Look at that, Max.
It's a bird, right?
Bird, okay?
But no touch. Where are you going to put it?
I give it to him now. I show Max.
Oh,
then.
okay. Max, look at the bird.
It's a bird, Max.
Let's take a picture.
Don't touch, okay? Not touch.
Hold on, Renu. We're gonna take a picture.
Yeah. Bird. Oh.
Wow.
Nice bird, Max.
Sick bird, Max.
Not sick.
No.
No, something
Hurt.